Hi everyone, this is Amala. In this lesson, we are going to learn the types of cheese. So, in worldwide, almost thousand more cheeses are there. So, cheeses we already discussed, cheeses that is originated from milk. So, different types of cheese are listed in this session. Cheese can be classified in several ways, but the most common method by the moisture content of the cheese. So classification by texture, that means moisture content. That is first one, fresh unripened cheese. The characteristics, it has high moisture, mild flavor, there is no aging or ripening. They are very creamy, spreadable and have a very short shelf life. Example, mozzarella cheese, ricotta, cottage cheese, cream cheese, feta, goat cheese. And first one, mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella is a fresh Italian cheese traditionally made from buffalo or cow's milk. It is known for its soft, elastic, and very soft texture, which comes from the pasta filata method of curd heating and stitching. It has a mild, milky flavor and high moisture content, so it is used. It is not aged, and it is the best consumed fresh. Mozzarella that melts beautifully, making it ideal for pizza making, a lasagna and cheese pull dishes. And second one, ricotta. So ricotta, it is a traditional Italian whey cheese made from the leftover liquid. So after other cheeses are produced, instead of casein curd, it forms from heat introduced into a coagulation of whey protein like albumin and globulin. It has a soft, grainy, and creamy texture with a slightly sweet and light flavor. Since it is made from byproduct of whey, ricotta is quick to produce, nutrient rich, and commonly used in dessert and toppings. And third one, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a very fresh, soft, unripened cheese made from cow's milk through acid coagulation. It has a moist, lumpy curd texture and a clean, mild, slightly salty taste. It is not aged, meaning it contains more moisture and has a short but refrigerated shelf life. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and low in fat, making it popular for salad, health based meals, and diet foods. And fourth one, cream cheese. Cream cheese is a fresh and creamy soft cheese made from cow's milk and cream that is giving it a high fat, smooth, and spreadable consistency. It has a mildly tangy flavor due to lactic acid fermentation. It is also not aged and it always sealed and refrigerated to protect its moisture and freshness. Creamy cheese is widely used for cheesecake, bread spread, and sandwich filling. And for fifth one, feta. So feta is a traditional Greek brine cheese primarily made from sheep's milk or a mixture of sheep and goat milk. It has a soft, clumpy, white texture and has a sharp taste, salty, tangy flavor developed during brine storage. Feta is usually aged for a short period while submerged in salt brine, which also helps preserve it naturally. It is very popular used in salad, pasta, and back dishes. And last one, Crevere. It's a French style fresh cheese made from goat's milk. It has very soft, creamy, slightly crumbly texture and a distinct earthy, tangy, and fresh goat milk flavor. And it pairs well with salad, crackers, sandwich, and herbs. Next one, soft ripened cheese. These characteristics of cheese ripen from the outside in. They have a fluffy, edible white rind and a creamy, often runny interior. And example, Brie cheese and Camembert. Brie, it's a buttery, mild and creamy, a classical French cheese. Camembert is similar to Brie but with a strong and earthier flavor. So first, Brie is a classical French soft cheese made from cow's milk originating from the Brie region of France. It has a pale, creamy interior and an edible white rind formed by the mole Penicillium candida. So Brie is known for its buttery, smooth texture and mild, slightly nutty flavor. It is ripened for a short period. It is allowing to remain soft with high moisture content. So Brie pairs well with bread, fruit, honey, and crackers, making it very popular cheese in worldwide. And second one, Camembert is a traditional French soft cheese, and it is also made from cow's milk, originally from Normandy, France. It has a rich, creamy interior and a soft, a bloomy white ring developed by Penicillium camemberti. Camemberti is very strong in aroma compared to the Brie, and it has a deep, earthy, slightly tangy taste. It is ripened for a few weeks, giving it a very soft and melt in the mouth consistency. Camembert is widely enjoyed baked, paired with wine, or served with bread and cheese. Next one, semi-soft cheese. Semi-soft cheese, that means it is characteristics elastic and smooth with a higher moisture content than harder cheese. They are very greater for melting. For example, Monterey Jack, Havarti, Muenster, Provolone. So first one gives mild, buttery and excellent for melting. So Monterey Jack, it is American semi-soft cheese that originated in Monterey, California. It is made from cow milk and it is known for its creamy, mild, and slightly butter flavor. The texture is very smooth, moist, and melt well. So making it is very popular choice for Mexican and grilled dishes. And next to one, Havarti. So Havarti is a Danish dish. Um, it gives a buttery aroma and mild taste. Havarti is a traditional Danish semi-solid, semi-soft cheese made from cow milk. It has light pale yellow in color with small irregular holes that form during fermentation. Havarti is known for its soft, sliceable, creamy texture and mild, slightly tangy, aromatic flavor, and it is typically ripened for a few months, which enhance its buttery taste while keeping it smooth. It is often enjoyed with breads, fruit, cheese, etc. And third one, Muenster. This cheese, it is American version of cheese. It is originally inspired by France, and it is made from cow milk and recognized by its soft interior, and it has an orange tinted ring that is created using annota coloring. This cheese has a smooth tender texture and mild buttery slightly salty flavor when it was young. So with aging it develops a strong aroma and richer taste. Munster, it's a very popular for grilled cheese. And last one, provolone. Provolone is a traditional Italian semi-hard dish made from cow milk using the pasta filata curd stretching method. It has a firm, smooth texture and comes in two main varieties, mild and sweet and sharp and tangy. It is aged from few months to over a year, where aging that enhance the flavor and aroma. And it is used in pizza, pasta, baking dishes. Next one, hard cheese. So hard cheese that is characterized low moisture content, making them very firm and often grated over food. They are aged for a long time. Example of cheese, cheddar cheese, Gouda cheese, Parmesan and Pecorino cheese. First one, cheddar cheese is a classical English cheese that is originating from the village of Cheddar in England. It is made from cow milk and ranges from semi-hard to hard in texture. The cheese is firm, smooth and easy to slice. Its flavor can be mild when young and sharp or tangy when aged. Lactic acid bacteria play a key role in its fermentation. The cheddar is widely used in sandwich, burger, pasta, cheese sauce, and second one, Gouda cheese. Gouda is a traditional Dutch cheese from the city of Gouda in Netherlands. It is made from cow's milk and has a pale yellow color with a smooth, creamy and supple texture. Young Gouda has a mild, sweet, buttery flavor, while aged Gouda develop a deep, nutty caramel taste. The Gouda cheese is excellent for cheese border, so pairing with fruit, melting in dishes and sandwiches. Third one, Parmesan. So Parmesan is a famous Italian hard cheese, also known as Parmigiano Milano Regina. It is made primarily from cow milk and it is aged from 12 months to 36 months. The texture is very hard, crumbly, and it contains small crystals. Its flavors is very strong, salty, nutty, and rich in umami. And fourth one, Pecorino. So Pecorino it is Italian hard cheese made from sheep's milk that is most famous variety seen Pecorino Romano. The texture is very hard, dry, and it has a sharp, salty, and tangy flavor. And Pecorino is aged for several months to develop its taste, and it is widely used in traditional Italian dishes, pasta, bread, and cheese, etc. Next, very hard cheese. It's a grating cheese. It is characteristics the lowest moisture content. They are crumbly, granular, and extensively used for grating. Example: Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, and Asiago. And classification by milk type. The animal diet and breed significantly impact the cheese flavor. They can use cow milk, sheep milk, goat milk, buffalo milk also. In cow milk, it is very most common. It produces a wide range of flavor from buttery like Gouda to sharp cheddar cheese. And sheep milk richer in fat and protein, yielding a cheese that is very soft and tangy, nutty and creamy. Pecorino Romano and Roquefort Manchego. And next, goat milk that is distinctly tangy, earthy, and sometimes described as grassy. And buffalo milk, richer and creamier than cow milk. It is famously used for authentic Italian mozzarella cheese. And classification by production process. Uh, First one, cheese, blue cheese. Blue cheese, the while aging process that is injected with penicillium mold. The cheese is pressed with needle to allow air to create vining. It gives the pungent flavor with blue or green colored wines. These are the example. And next one, washed rind cheese. The rind is regularly washed with brine, beer, cider, and wine during aging process. An example, Limburger, Teligio, Eposis. And next one, pasta fileta, that is stretched curd cheese. That is process, a special process. The cheese, the curd is heated and treated with warm water. Then it is stretched and kneaded. It gives a layable consistency. It gives very smooth and very soft texture. Example, mozzarella, provolone, and burrata. And next one, brine cheese. That means cured and stored in salt water brine solution. It can be characteristic crumbly with salty, tangy flavor, and there is no rind.